Welcome to the enchanting world of Once Upon a Time. I'm Miss Claus, brought to you by the magic of Once Upon a Time. I'm here to teach everyone about Christmas through reading. Today we're reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas by Alice Chattrell and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue Truck has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Five green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Do you have your Christmas tree up? Did you get to help decorate your Christmas tree? I hope that you did. I hope that you got to make ornaments for your Christmas tree at school to give to your parents as gifts. It's nice to give others gifts for Christmas. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. So the goose and her little gooselings got a Christmas tree. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. The fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. The short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. One tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. And look, what a surprise. It flashed. It has lights. Wasn't that great to see? A little bit of magic on this show. I hope you enjoyed this book. If you did, you can ask your parents to buy it for you. I'm glad you're here to read with me today. I hope to see you again soon. And by liking and subscribing to our enchanting world, you will help to unlock more magic for the next characters to appear. See you next time. Bye.